Good day everyone, my name is Purna Chandrika from Team OIC India under the Project Suraksha. I'm here to tell you how dangerous a regular sanitary napkin can be. These pads contain dioxin, pesticides, chemicals, plastic, bleaching powder and preservatives. These which causes cervical cancer, reproductive problems, immunity problems, maternity problems and infections, bacteria, and the list goes endless. It's no new fact that every pad takes 500 to 800 years to decompose. It also affects our nature, the frontline workers as well as the animals and birds due to poor disposal. To overcome that, our youth social community has decided to manufacture biodegradable sanitary napkins at a cost of 1 rupee for every rural woman in India. These pads that OIC will provide are 99% organic and are harmless. They will get decomposed within 1 to 2 months. Comparing to the pads which are available in the market, OIC's pads are very healthy and safer to use as well as hygienic. We have named our project as Project Suraksha, and its main motive is to manufacture organic sanitary napkins for a very reasonable price. For this, we need a team of 5 girls who can be social media influencers who can create awareness about this taboo in our country by posting stories, posts, and about all over our project, and eventually bringing awareness to those that know less about menstrual hygiene. We have decided to choose girls because they can only express of their own problems in an expressive way, which can reach a lot of people. With this, every girl in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana state will get to know about this taboo situation in India. Even now in 20th century, not many use sanitary napkins. So if you girls can join us, you can make a girl raise her voice. Only you can express and share the journey of your menstrual hygiene and how important it is. I really hope many more join and support our project Suraksha. Thank you.